The crypto climate has shown itself to be an exuberant and reliably developing spot, with novel contemplations and thoughts constantly emerging. Since the DeFi breakout of 2020, we've seen many advances in the blockchain space, for instance, play to secure non-fungible tokens, metaverse, etc., which are attracting light of a genuine worry for monetary benefactors. Move to obtain M2E is one more generally advancement, causing aggravations in the cryptosphere. The quirk rewards clients for staying dynamic and fit. M2E is currently being done by a couple of stages, including STEPN Sweetcoin and others. STEPN is gathering a great deal of thought in view of its commitments, and monetary sponsor are expecting to make gains from the associations nearby. Token might it sooner or later be the accompanying Shiba Inu. STEPN is diverged from Shiba Inu SHIB because of securing up basically 2000 since early walk. Another sign of assessment is that STEPN in its underlying days is top. Continuing on CoinMarketCap. In any case, STEPN at this point has substantially more utility than SHIB. The present live STEPN cost is 0.595117. With a 24-hour trading volume of 302,811,705, we update our GMT to USD cost continuously. STEPN is down 247 at this point. The continuous CoinMarketCap situating is 79, with a live market cap of 357,070,187. It has a streaming stock of 600 million GMT coins and a most extreme supply of 6 billion GMT coins. This guide outfits you with all you need to know about STEPN, including its expense history, strategy for action, and cost assumptions. For what the future holds, we ought to get into the details. What is STEPN? STEPN is a WEB3 move to get health and prosperity lifestyle, flexible application with game cash GameFi and social cash. SocialFi parts. The gathering behind STEPN is Trackdown Satoshi Lab, a fintech studio arranged in Australia. The endeavor runs on the Solana blockchain, and its fundamental thought depends upon by far most everyday activity, which is moving around. STEPN emerged as the third runner-up at the Solana Start Hackathon of 2021 and remained the chief errand to do the move to acquire. Thought basically the GameFi piece of STEPN is intended to help the stage with driving enormous number of clients toward a more solid lifestyle, fight natural change, and stop vehicles with high carbon discharge. On the other hand, STEPN's social cash part means to manufacture a phase that upholds client-made WEB3 content. How does STEPN work? STEPN utilize a two-layered representative structure. The two sorts of tokens open in the climate are GMT and GST, all of which can be procured. Strikingly, STEPN clients gain in-application grants as in-game tokens. Green Satoshi tokens GST for running, walking or running, while green Metaverse tokens GMT is an organization token and can in like manner be used to help pay charges, update the features of NFT sneakers, progress through the various techniques for the game, or trade it out for benefit on maintained crypto exchanges. The STEPN application is embedded with a couple of GameFi features. Game modes. STEPN is in its beta stage and at this point offers a free mode to clients. The two other game modes, establishment and significant distance race modes, are going through progress and will be open soon. Sneakers. These are non-fungible tokens with different qualities like comfort, adaptability, adequacy, and karma. Shoes enable clients to secure in-game tokens, and they can be revamped and upgraded by consuming green Satoshi tokens. Gems connections. Directly following achieving a particular shoes level, STEPN clients can get to specific pearls to deal with the qualities of their shoes. Shoe printing. When clients get to 2 NFT shoes, they can continue to mint shoeboxes. Stepping cost will be dependent upon the characterization of the basic shoes and the as of late gotten ones. Clients can gain various recognizable pieces of proof by executing different in-game objectives. These recognizable pieces of proof can give assists that with canning be used to impact the game understanding. For instance, clients with distinguishing pieces of proof can see the value in diminished printing costs, extra centers, organization benefits, or extra energy. This component is at this point, going through progress to start on the application. Clients will require a commencement code right now. Open through the Endeavor's Struggle bundle on a welcome, simply premise, an order code is given every 12 minutes, making it a fight to get on the STEPN truck these days. Utilizations of STEPN convenient application. STEPN is live on EOS application store and Google Play Store restricted to explicit countries. Sneaker NFT. Each shoe has different sorts, qualities, attributes and gem connections. Clients can consume tokens to level out and adjust shoes move and get clients. Equipped with shoes, NFT can move outside and get tokens. There are multi-layers unfriendly to conning mechanics to hinder misuse. Rental structure. Clients can rent a sneaker for nothing, move and obtain, and a short time later split the pay with the shoe owner. In application NFT business focus. Clients can trade their NFTs on the business place. In application exchange. Clients can exchange their representative benefit to various sorts of cryptographic types of cash. In application decentralized wallet. Clients can store and send advanced monetary forms to the wallet to fund their spending accounts. Where to buy STEPN GMT. Expecting that you are excited about trading STEPN GMT. It is open on a couple of striking exchanges: Binance, OXMEX, DeGiffenX, Bybit, UOB around the world, Coinbase, Gadio, Pancakeswap, DeFi Exchange, and other STEPN associates. The undertaking won a Solana Soul hackathon and has some enormous name allies, certainly being recorded on Binance. As one legitimization for its new accomplishment, quite possibly of the best completion desk work for a continued with GMT bull run, as the lineup of subsidizing VC monetary patrons in the STEPN project: Binance Labs, Alameda Investigation, Sequoia Capital, Folius Undertakings, Solana Undertakings, Sixth Man Undertakings, Fermion. The best technique to purchase STEPN tokens to buy GMT. Follow these methods, make a record on your incline toward exchange, and complete kick. You can buy STEPN with your credit, or actually look at card, or use the maintained trading pair on your select exchange. STEPN GMT. Worth history. STEPN's neighborhood token GMT has continued to gather forward speed across the web since its farewell in WAC 2022. The representative's trading volume has beaten a couple of other spread out tokens and governed gigantic exchanges. GMT started at 0.1536 on WAC 9 2022 and came to 2 before the month's finished. A return for cash contributed of over 1200 STEPN worth assumption. 2022 GMT cost assumption. 2022 shows that computerized cash costs will augment genuinely from their continuous expense. Immaterial changes should occur during this period, from the hour of this piece to December 2022. Considering Cryptopolitan's assessment, the most vital possible expense for GMT tokens by December 2022 is 210, routinely. This is a forceful figure. STEPN worth assumption 2023. The GMT cost assumption 2023 emits an impression of being comparably bullish. The expense graph appears to get a move